Conditional litigation. What is conditional litigation? Conditional litigation refers to a legal scenario where a lawsuit or legal action is pursued subject to certain conditions being met. These conditions could be related to the outcome of another legal proceeding, the passage of time, the occurrence of a specified event, or the fulfillment of certain obligations by one or both parties involved. Conditional litigation allows parties to pursue legal action while specifying conditions under which they agree to proceed or withdraw the lawsuit. It is often used in complex legal matters or situations where the outcome depends on uncertain factors. In the Indian legal context, conditional litigation can take various forms and is governed by the procedural rules and principles outlined in the Code of Civil Procedure (CPC) and other relevant laws. Here are some aspects of conditional litigation in the Indian legal context. 1. Settlement agreements. Parties in Indian legal proceedings often enter into settlement agreements subject to certain conditions. These conditions may include the payment of a specified amount, the performance of certain actions, or the resolution of related disputes. 2. Conditional orders by courts. Indian courts have the authority to issue orders with conditions attached. For example, a court may grant an interim injunction subject to the condition that the plaintiff provide security for costs. 3. Contingent fee arrangements. While contingent fee arrangements are not as common in India as in some other jurisdictions, they are still permitted in certain types of cases, such as personal injury claims. Lawyers may agree to handle a case on a contingency basis, where their fees are contingent upon the successful outcome of the litigation. 4. Conditional judgments. Indian courts may render judgments that are conditional upon the occurrence of certain events or the fulfillment of specified obligations by one or both parties. For example, a court may grant a decree for specific performance subject to the defendant's compliance with certain conditions within a specified time frame. 5. Conditional withdrawal of suits under Order 23. Rule 1 of the CPC, parties can seek permission from the court to withdraw a suit subject to certain conditions. The court has the discretion to grant permission for withdrawal and impose conditions as it deems fit. Overall, conditional litigation in the Indian legal context provides parties with flexibility in resolving disputes while ensuring that their interests are protected and obligations are met.